Welcome everyone. Our lesson today is going to be about irony. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify irony. Also, you will be able to recognize types of irony. Let's start. What is irony? Irony is a figure of speech in which words are used in such a way that their intended meaning is different from the actual meaning of the word. In simple words, it is a difference between the appearance and reality. There are three types of irony: verbal irony, dramatic irony, and situational irony. We are going to discuss each one of these in detail. Let's start with verbal irony. Verbal irony is when a character says one thing but means the opposite. Let's take an example. The locker room smells really good. Awesome! Another homework packet. The speaker here means that the locker room smells bad. And in the other sentence, the speaker isn't happy about having more homework to do. But in both sentences, the speaker is being sarcastic. Because of that, they stated their words in this way. Dramatic irony. Dramatic irony is when the reader understands more about the events of a story than a character. You know something that the character doesn't. Let's take an example. Everyone thinks Tim is the fastest kid in school, but we know he cheated in the race. So here, everyone thinks Tim is the fastest kid, but we know that he cheated and took a shortcut, so we know he is an average speed kid, but everyone thinks he is fast. Situational irony. Situational irony is when what actually happens is the opposite of what is expected. Let's take an example. The survivors of a shipwreck are on a lifeboat when a rescue plane flies over ahead. They shoot a flare to signal, but hit the plane instead. So here, they shoot a flare gun to get the attention of the pilot, but instead hit the plane and the plane crashes. In this case, we expect that the flare gun will get them to safety, but in fact, it condemns them to death. Now, I'm going to leave you to enjoy 3 film clips, and your job is to guess which type of irony is stated in the scene. I'll be waiting for you to send your answers. Also, please solve the exercise on your books, page 137 and 138.